Welcome to our video series, Real People, Real Stories. In this episode, we will be sharing testimonials of individuals who have found relief from tinnitus with Quietum Plus. Tinnitus is a condition that causes a constant ringing or buzzing sound in the ears, and it can be both bothersome and frustrating. But thanks to Quietum Plus, many people have been able to find relief from this condition. Let's hear their inspiring stories. John, a 35-year-old professional, had been struggling with tinnitus for years. The constant ringing in his ears made it difficult for him to concentrate at work and enjoy simple pleasures in life. But after discovering Quietum Plus, John's life changed dramatically. He noticed a significant reduction in the intensity of the ringing within a few weeks of using the supplement. Now, John can focus better at work and sleep peacefully at night. Sarah, a 45-year-old mother of two, had been dealing with tinnitus for several years. The constant noise in her ears took a toll on her mental well-being and made it difficult for her to enjoy family activities. However, after incorporating Quietum Plus into her daily routine, Sarah experienced a remarkable improvement. The ringing in her ears diminished, and she regained her joy and quality of life. Now, Sarah can fully engage with her children and enjoy their precious moments together. David, a 50-year-old retiree, had been struggling with tinnitus for many years. The constant noise affected his sleep, mood, and overall well-being. He tried various treatments and remedies, but nothing provided long-lasting relief until he discovered Quietum Plus. Since incorporating the supplement into his daily routine, David noticed a significant reduction in the ringing and an overall improvement in his quality of life. Now, he can enjoy retirement without the constant distraction of tinnitus. These are just a few examples of the many individuals who have found relief from tinnitus with Quietum Plus. If you or someone you know is struggling with this condition, consider giving Quietum Plus a try. It may just provide the relief you've been seeking. Thank you for watching this episode of Real People, Real Stories.